They told you your Gemini mind was too scattered for wealth, that your duality was a liability in business. But February 2026 just proved them catastrophically wrong. While they're drowning in single-track thinking, your Mercury OS is running a parallel processing protocol they can't even comprehend. You're not distracted. You're calculating 3 revenue streams simultaneously. The Mars-Jupiter alignment just activated your financial superpower, and today we're installing the 2026 Wealth Protocol into your consciousness. Let's decode what actually happened in January 2026. If you felt financially suppressed, creatively blocked, or professionally invisible, it wasn't random. That was a deliberate cosmic stress test. Mars in Capricorn created a linear productivity trap, a system designed for single-focus minds. And because you tried to play by their rules, you felt like you were failing. But here's the truth they'll never tell you. You weren't failing. You were incompatible with an outdated operating system. Think about it. Every time you attempted to focus on one thing, your Mercury mind rebelled. You'd start a project, then get an insight about something else, then connect it to a third idea, and suddenly you're 3 hours deep feeling guilty about not finishing. But that's not ADHD. That's not procrastination. That's advanced pattern recognition. Your Gemini brain is doing what Harvard Business School calls parallel opportunity mapping, except you're doing it intuitively, while they need a $200,000 MBA to understand it. Pause the video for 3 seconds. Look at your bank account right now. Look at your career situation in February 2026. If you're earning less than your intelligence deserves, I need you to understand something. The problem isn't your work ethic. It's your financial architecture. You've been running 4D wealth strategies through a 3D social mask. You've been apologizing for your dual nature instead of weaponizing it. Drop your Gemini birthday in the comments right now, day and month. I'm scanning for the Type 3 Geminis who are ready to break the wealth ceiling. If you're Decan 2, you're about to experience something unprecedented in March. But we'll get to that. Right now, we need to install the protocol. The 2026 Wealth Protocol has 3 phases. Phase 1 is the Mercury OS Reboot, and it starts with destroying one lie. The lie: successful people focus on one thing. The truth: successful people leverage parallel systems. Jeff Bezos runs Amazon, Blue Origin, and the Washington Post simultaneously. Elon Musk operates Tesla, SpaceX, Neuralink, and X. But when you do it, they call you unfocused. Here's what's actually happening. Your Gemini mind is biologically designed for portfolio architecture. While they're optimizing one income stream, you're subconsciously designing 3. While they're perfecting one skill, you're cross-pollinating 5 disciplines into something entirely new. The Mars in Aquarius transit from February through April 2026 is creating what I call the innovation window. This is a 90-day period where your ability to connect unrelated concepts into profitable systems is amplified by 300%. But you need to stop apologizing for it. Action step for Phase 1. Open a document right now. Title it The Gemini Portfolio 2026. List every income idea you've had in the past 30 days. Don't filter. Don't judge. Just extract. That random business idea at 2 a.m.? Write it down. That silly, creative project? Write it down. That unrealistic career pivot? Write it down. Your Mercury mind has been doing market research in the background. Trust the data. Phase 2 is where we get surgical. Your wealth strategy depends entirely on which Gemini decan you are. Decan 1, May 21st, May 31st, the Velocity Architect. If you're Decan 1, your financial superpower is speed to market execution. Jupiter in Gemini through June 2026 is creating what I call the launch window. Your protocol: start 3 micro projects in March. Not one big thing, only 3 small tests. 1 will fail. 1 will break even. 1 will 10x by May. You don't know which is which yet, so you test rapidly. Your wealth psychology. I don't need permission. I need velocity. Decan 1 South, who wait for perfect timing, will watch Decan 3 South steal their market position. Move now. Decan 2, June 1st, June 10th. The diplomatic revenue generator. Decan 2, you're the negotiator. Your Mars-Venus overlay makes you lethal in partnership-based wealth models. Your protocol. Identify 5 people in your network who have what you need: capital, skills, distribution, audience, or connections. Reach out with a 60-second voice message offering value first. No ask, just strategic generosity. By April 2026, 2 of those 5 will become your highest ROI relationships of the year. Your wealth psychology. My network is my net worth, and I curate it like a private equity portfolio. Decan 3, June 11th, June 21st. The revolutionary system builder. Decan 3, you're the disruptor. Your Uranus influence makes you allergic to traditional employment structures. Your protocol. Stop looking for jobs. Start building systems. February through September 2026 is your infrastructure phase. Build one automated income system, a digital product, a content engine, a scalable service model. You're not trading time for money anymore. You're building leverage while you sleep. Your wealth psychology. I don't climb ladders. I build elevators. Comment your Decan number below 1, 2, or 3. Let's see who's actually taking action. Phase 3 is the most counterintuitive. I call it the silent harvest strategy. Here, what is happening in 2026 that nobody is talking about. The attention economy is collapsing. Everyone's screaming. Everyone's posting. Everyone's building their brand. And you're exhausted by it. Good. Use that. While they're performing, you're going to execute in silence. Here's the psychological warfare component. The 90-day blackout protocol. For the next 90 days, reduce your social media consumption by 70%. Stop announcing your moves. Stop asking for opinions. Stop posting about your journey. Just build. Here's why this works. Your Gemini mind has been leaking creative energy through over-communication. Every time you tell someone your idea, you release 30% of the execution pressure. You get the dopamine hit of sharing without the actual result of completing. The silent harvest strategy reverses this. You channel 100% of your Mercury energy into execution, not explanation. And when you emerge in June 2026 with actual results, not promises, but proof your authority skyrockets. This is how Geminis become legendary, not by talking more, by building in the dark and revealing in the light. The financial psychology behind this. People trust results more than potential. A silent Gemini with 1 completed project is worth more than a loud Gemini with 10 coming soon announcements. Silence isn't withdrawal. Silence is strategic resource allocation. Now let's talk about why January felt so heavy. If you experienced career stagnation, financial pressure, creative blocks, relationship tension, mental fog, that wasn't your failure. That was a Mercury-Saturn compression test. Saturn in Pisces was stress testing your belief systems. Every limiting belief you inherited about money, success, and your place in the world came up for review. And here's what most people missed. January was the purge. February is the upgrade. The people, projects, and patterns that fell away in January, they were never yours to begin with. They were obligations you inherited from a version of yourself that no longer exists. The 2026 Wealth Protocol only works if you stop dragging 2023 patterns into a 2026 reality. You're not the same Gemini you were 2 years ago. Your financial blueprint needs to reflect that evolution. Here's your 7-day action plan to activate the 2026 Wealth Protocol. Day 1 to 2. Complete the Mercury OS reboot. Extract all income ideas from your subconscious. No filtering. Day 3 to 4. Identify your decan and execute the specific protocol I outlined. Decan 1, start 3 tests. Decan 2, reach out to 5 strategic connections. Decan 3, design your automated system blueprint. Day 5 to 7, begin the 90-day silent harvest. Reduce noise. Increase execution. Let your results speak. If you do this, you'll look back at February 2026 as the month everything changed. Not because of luck, not because of a shift, because you finally aligned your financial strategy with your psychological architecture. The Gemini mind isn't a bug. It's the most sophisticated operating system in the zodiac. But it only works when you stop apologizing for it and start exploiting it. Drop protocol activated in the comments if you're committing to the next 90 days. And if you want the advanced training, the decan-specific wealth blueprints, the psychological defense tactics, the strategic silence mastery, subscribe. You're not distracted. You're a parallel processor in a linear world. And 2026 is the year the world finally catches up to your mind. Let's architect your empire.